talking about one of my favorite neurovascular holds, but it's more than that. It's my favorite hold for balancing hormones. And the reason it's my favorite is because I spent a lot of time doing it, and I found that when I would hold my head in this certain way, that I would actually be able to calm my nervous system down and also help support my hormones in my body. My name is Kelly Goetz, and I am an Eden's Energy Medicine clinical practitioner. I'm also on faculty with the Eden Method program, and I love this work. I love how it is empowering. I love that you can teach it to your friends and your family member, and you can create relief for all sorts of symptoms or ailments by working and taking care of your body. All right, so let's get started. We've got 4 points on the head that we're going to be working with. At the hairline, we have liver neurovascular points. These are important because they help process toxins and hormones, and they help support the liver, which is located on the right side of your body, below that rib cage. The next point is at the top of your head. It's that soft baby spot that we all had when we were babies, and this is the access point to the pineal gland. One of the things that the pineal gland does is it helps balance melatonin. Next, we are going to follow our head back down, and it's going to bend, and right where it bends, we are going to access the pituitary gland. These glands are tiny little glands at the center of your brain, but this is an access point, and this access point will help balance some of the hormones such as progesterone, testosterone, and estrogen. And lastly, we are going to line our head directly across our eyes. Now, I'm not looking in a mirror, so I hope I've got it. And so we are going to connect to the access point of the hypothalamus. Again, the hypothalamus, it's at the center of the brain. It's a tiny little organ. And so we are connecting with a part of the brain that sends a signal to that organ. And how we're going to hold this is we're simply going to take our hand, we're going to put it right at the hairline. We're going to let our hands bend back. So we're on liver, we're on the pineal access point, and then we're going to bring our other hand like this, and we have got our fingertips connected, and we're going to hold this for several minutes. Breathe into that. Notice how it makes you feel. And recognize that when you are holding this position, you are also supporting all of these beautiful glands and their ability to balance the various hormones in your body. Now, I could do that all day, but your time is valuable, as is mine, and so I'm going to encourage you to do that, especially at bedtime, because you can get your pillows all hunky, all squishy up, get your hands in the right place, and just hold it. Chances are you're going to fall asleep, and that's going to be good for you as well. My name is Kelly Goetz. Thank you for learning with me, and I hope wherever you are learning to appreciate and balance your hormones. Infinite love and gratitude. Bye-bye.